We're here in Podium with my vlogger friends and RG will do a demo of his new gadget toy. So, ayun. Ano yun? Tingnan.
I have an iPad Touch, second generation.
Okay.
I like to plug. Okay. I have two plugs.
Sige.
The iPlug and the plug.
Ano pinagkaiba nung...
The iPlug is dedicated for this device. The plug is from the company Plug itself. Okay. iPlug is a very user-friendly interface, very fast. Itong mostly ginagamit ko every day because it focus on the members of my friends on Plug.
Yung mga naka-add lang.
Yes. I cannot make any administration to that because it features to everyone. Like, it's very fast to put messages and to put pictures. If you notice, meron ako mga pictures doon every time I message. So ito ginagamit ko. Plug, it features the person who owns the
whole Plug community.
It's not focused sa members. It focused din, pero I can administer, like, I could see my karma, I can change the status, I can admit the person who wants to be my friends, kung sino pwede maging fans ko, and so on and so forth. So, in the administrative side, I use Plug. Pero for everyday use to talk with my friends, I use iPlug. And also, I have some social network applications, which is I have Parlingo, which is my YM.
Okay.
I can also send pictures using from my
Pero siya, Wi-Fi, sa Wi-Fi ano siya?
Wi-Fi siya.
Pero yung Plug, ano yun, parang da-download mo na lang siya? Or...
Actually, Plug, binili ko siya.
Binibili yung application?
Sa App Store. Yeah. So, ibang items binili ko rin.
So, ano yung pinagkaiba niya sa pagiging mobility niya sa pag meron ka ng ganyan? Anong...
Ang naging convenience, actually nag-mobility convenience is I could plug while I'm eating. I could plug while I'm lying on the bed.
Mabilis siya?
Mabilis siya. Mas mabilis ng PL yung iPlug compared to sa plug kasi marami siyang components eh. Ito kasi nakafocus lang to talk with people.
Astig. So yun ang napili niyang gadget for this week and see you soon in the impromptu interview. Ayun, okay.